Day everyone, and welcome back to PHI channel. Is your baby or young child coughing, wheezing or breathing fast? It could be bronchiolitis. Bronchiolitis is a common lung infection that affects the small airways in infants and young children. It is usually caused by viruses, especially the respiratory syncytial virus, also known as RSV. Symptoms may include cough, wheezing, difficulty breathing, runny nose, fever, and reduced feeding. Most cases are mild and improve with supportive care such as fluids, rest, and monitoring breathing. However, signs like fast breathing, chest retractions, poor feeding, or bluish lips require urgent medical attention. Early recognition helps ensure your child gets the right care. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for staying with me. As I always say, don't forget to like, share, follow, and comment for more. You can also ask the questions in my DM or in the comment section, and I'll be ready to answer them all. Always remember, PHI got you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.